Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get ChatGPT on Microsoft Word and how to use it. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your document on your Microsoft Word, and if we want to get ChatGPT, we need to go to the add-ins menu. Here you can go to the add-ins and then you can select ChatGPT for Microsoft Word. And here, as you can see, I have added ChatGPT add-ins to my Microsoft Word. So I just need to click on the ChatGPT. Okay, and then make sure you have good internet connection to use this ChatGPT. And here guys, you can describe what you want to do. For example, I'm going to improve writing, so we can choose the tags from our document like this, and then we're going to select the improve writing, or you can describe what you want to do here, but I'm just going to use the suggestion. I'm gonna improve writing, and then we can scroll down until we find this button, and then you can click on go. Okay, and then choose hold on. Alright, and the ChatGPT will improve our writing on our document, and I'm going to show you before and after. This is after I use ChatGPT to improve my writing, and this is before I asked ChatGPT to improve my writing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get ChatGPT on Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.